Hello, super learners! Let's discover 9 common pets and learn simple English sentences about them. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Cat, this is my cat. It loves milk. Meow. Dog, the dog runs fast. Woof woof. Rabbit, look. The rabbit eats carrots. Yum. Parrot, wow, the parrot can talk. Can you say hello? Fish, the fish swims in water. So graceful. Turtle, the turtle walks slowly. Take your time. Goat, the goat gives us milk. Mmm, delicious. Horse, the horse is very strong. Giddy up. Hen, the hen lays eggs. What a clever hen. Fantastic work, everyone. To become an English superstar, try saying these words and sentences every day. Share them with your family and friends, and keep exploring new words with us.